Present petition is filed against challenging the order passed by Chanbin Samiti, where Chanbin Samiti has cancelled the caste certificate of the petitioner. My lords, before proceeding further,
19513 oblique 2020.
my lords, before proceeding further, writ petition in a similar matter has been already been filed, and which has been decided on marriage. But my lords, at that time, the documents which were necessary has
So
not.
this is the second writ petition.
Yes, my lords.
How it is maintained?
My lords, just because the order which was passed by the learned honorable judge at that time, the documents which were which was not available, and on the basis of that document,
Whether the second petition would be maintainable?
according to my lords settled law, it is not maintainable. But
then if it is not maintainable, then instead of ये तो SLP सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक चली गई.
yes, my lords. But my lords,
अब कॉस्ट बता दे पिटिशनर को सुप्रीम कोर्ट पे विश्वास नहीं, रिव्यू पे विश्वास नहीं, हाई कोर्ट पे विश्वास नहीं.
at that time documents were not available.
मिस्टर कॉस्ट बता दीजिए. एक्सॉर्बिटेंट कॉस्ट नहीं लगाऊंगा क्योंकि ये सारा कुछ डिक्लेयर किया हुआ है. ये कानून पे शांति न रख के उद्वेलित रहना इनको समझ में आना चाहिए. चाहे आप ₹1 बताएं पर लगाऊंगा जरूर.
Just a humble request, my lord.
क्या बताए ना?
My lord, there is a gross injustice, my lord, because the
मिस्टर काउंसिल यार, आप लोग ये समझते नहीं है कि लाइव चल रहा है, पूरी दुनिया देख रही है. हम अगर आपको धैर्य पूर्वक सुनते रहे तो हमारा मजाक बनेगा. ठीक, आपने एक बार कह दिया और सही कहा कि एक बार पिटीशन खारिज हो जाने के बाद दोबारा पिटीशन मेंटेनेबल नहीं है. उसके बावजूद भी आप वह कह रहे हैं कि सुनिए, और हम अगर शांतिपूर्वक सुने तो लोग हंसेंगे हमारे पे. तो आप चाहे मैं ₹1 की कॉस्ट लगाऊंगा जरूर. ये आदमी को शांति नहीं मिल रही है. तो शांति तो यार ठीक है, आपके पास सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक के लिए अधिकार हैं, स्टैट्यूटरी रेमेडी से हो गया. अब आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट से खारिज हो जाने के बाद हाई कोर्ट में फ्रेश पिटीशन लेके आ गए. अब मेरे पास कागज नहीं थे तो किसने फाइल किया करने को कहा था? अगर कर दिया था तो फिर चाहे आप 4127 में एप्लीकेशन लगा के तब डॉक्यूमेंट्स फाइल कर देते. नहीं कर पाए थे सुप्रीम कोर्ट में कर देते. नहीं कर पाए तब शांति रखो. अब ये खारिज हो जाएगी फिर एक कागज लेके आ जाएंगे, सर ये तो छूट ही गया था. 19513/2024. This petition under Article 226 of Constitution of India has been filed seeking the following. By order dated 16/7/2021, the high-powered caste scrutiny committee had held that the petitioner does not belong to scheduled
Munda community
tribe. Against the said order, the petitioner preferred WP number 20328/2021, which was dismissed by this court by order dated 28/4/2022. A writ appeal number 508/2023 was filed, which too was dismissed by order dated 18/7/2023. Thereafter, review petition number 968/2023 was filed, which too was dismissed by order dated 22/9/2023. First, the petitioner thereafter preferred SLP in Supreme Court, which was registered as SLP civil number 24103/2023, and according to the petitioner, the said SLP was also dismissed. Now the present petition has been filed, seeking this, thereby challenging the order dated 16/7/2021 passed by the High Power Caste Scrutiny Committee on the ground that certain documents were not available with the petitioner at the initial round of litigation, and therefore the petition may be entertained. Considered the submissions made by counsel for the petition. On a query raised by this court, the counsel for the petitioner was right in making a submission that once the writ petition, a writ appeal, a review petition, and SLP have been dismissed, then a fresh petition is not maintainable. However, the counsel for the petitioner tried to submit that since certain documents were not available with the petitioner on the earlier occasion, therefore the second petition may be considered. Consider the submissions made by counsel for the petitioner. Once the petition, a writ appeal, a review petition, and SLP have already been dismissed on merits, and order dated 16/7/2021 passed by a high-level caste scrutiny committee has already been upheld, then the petitioner cannot go on filing the writ petitions on successive writ petitions by alleging that certain documents were not available with him during the first round of litigation. The principle of res judicata would apply in order to avoid such type of litigation, such type of unending litigation. Under these circumstances, this court is of considered opinion that the present petition which has been filed by the petitioner is not maintainable. It is accordingly dismissed as not maintainable with a cost of ₹500 to be deposited by the petitioner in the registry of this court within a period of 1 month from today, failing which the sure.
Shri Krishna Sharma.
अब आप पहले मुझे ये बताइए कि आपकी वकालत कितनी लंबी है, कितने साल हो गए?
Sir, I've recently started practicing.
When you got registered yourself?
I was registered in 2020, but I have started my practicing in 2022, my lords.
2020.
And I have
2 years.
Yes.
चलो 500 फिर ठीक है. मुझे लगा कि और रिसेंट है तो इसको शायद और कम कर देते. 500 तो नॉमिनल भी है. मैंने नॉमिनल रखने की कोशिश की है so that the client may not say to you कि साहब ये क्या करा दिया. But it is a high time where the litigant must realize कि भाई it should not be made an unending process. कि भाई लगातार यही सब चलता रहेगा.
Once I have suggested the client, but they were so desperate out of the.
Fine, you are right. I can understand. आपका जो पहला सेंटेंस था ना कि सर it is not maintainable. That showed कि भाई आपको मालूम है. आपने कहीं कोई मिसकंसेप्शन ऑफ फैक्ट या लॉ पे फाइल नहीं किया है और आपने बताया होगा उसको. जब
I researched and I found that if writ petition was dismissed in lemine, then I can file a petition.
Not
but if on merits, then
not petition. You could have you should file a petition for restoration. Fine. Let us not discuss on that issue. But once you had done your homework, you suggested your client, and you were fair enough towards the court also. You did not try to divert the attention. You directly said कि नहीं maintainable नहीं है. Then thereafter, whatever your conduct was, it was on the instructions of your client. आपका client अगर देख रहा होगा तो बाहर जाके बोलता कि साहब क्या बस खड़े होके आने के लिए फीस ली थी. Right? You were right. लेकिन मैंने यही कहा कि पक्षकार को सोचना चाहिए कि भाई कहीं ना कहीं पर जाके उसको शांतिपूर्वक जीवन व्यतीत करना चाहिए. चलिए, thank you. But I would appreciate, sir, you were honest towards your client and towards the court also. And you have played your role very well.
Grateful, man.
Thank you.
53.